Hello, beauty enthusiasts, and welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for all things beauty. Today, we're diving into the world of eyelash extensions with a product that's been creating quite the buzz. Get ready to say goodbye to stubborn lash glue because we're about to introduce you to the best eyelash glue remover on the market. Introducing the Eyelash Extension Remover and Lash Remover by Existing Beauty. This powerful solution is here to make your lash extension removal process a breeze. But what makes it stand out from the rest? Let's find out. This incredible gel formula works fast, dissolving lash adhesive in just 2 to 5 minutes, depending on the strength of the glue. Say goodbye to hours of painstaking removal processes. But safety always comes first, right? Well, fear not. Existing Beauty has formulated this remover with your safety in mind. Its easy-to-control gel consistency ensures minimal risk of slippage into your eyes or your client's eyes. Apply just a tiny amount of gel remover about half a millimeter above the lash line to avoid any contact with the eyes. Safety first, always. But don't just take my word for it. Let's hear what some of our satisfied customers have to say. And here's the best part. This remover is suitable for all skin types, including sensitive skin. Plus, it's alcohol-free and dermatologist-tested, so you can trust that your lashes are in good hands. So, whether you're a professional lash technician or a beauty enthusiast looking to remove your extensions at home, the Eyelash Extension Remover and Lash Remover by Existing Beauty is the ultimate solution for you. And that wraps up today's review. If you're ready to bid farewell to stubborn lash glue and say hello to effortlessly beautiful lashes, be sure to check out this amazing product. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more beauty tips and product reviews. Until next time, stay fabulous.